Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the .store channel. In this video, I'll show you how to stop spam registrations in your WooCommerce store. User registration helps you grow your customer base, but spam registrations can quickly turn into a serious problem. Bots and fake users keep creating accounts using random emails and data. This fills your database with junk users, slows down your site, and can even lead to fake orders or security risks. With a simple setup, you can block spam users before they even register. You can detect suspicious activity like fake emails, risky IP addresses, or bot behavior. Genuine customers can register normally, while spam users get blocked instantly. Let's see how to set this up. First, make sure the fraud prevention plugin is installed and activated on your store. Now go to the fraud prevention settings from your WordPress dashboard. You will see the blacklist settings section. Here in the blocking stage area, enable the option to block spam users during registration. Next, you can define what to block. You can add suspicious email addresses or specific IP addresses. You can also block specific domains. For example, here I am adding a suspicious email addresses for testing purpose. Now let's save the settings. One more thing, you can also set a custom message here to show when a spam user is blocked. Alright, save your settings. Now, let's test this on the front end. First, go to the registration page. Now, let's try registering with a suspicious email address that we configured. As you can see, the registration is blocked and the user cannot proceed. Now, try again with a genuine email. This time, the registration is successful, and as you can see, we are logged in. So, now I would like to share one important point. Some users do not allow new user registration on the My Account page. They disable the registration form there and only keep the login form. In that case, they allow new user creation only during the checkout process. So, how can you manage spam user registration on the checkout page?
Let me show you that.
Before we check the plugin settings, let me first show you the WooCommerce settings to disable the registration form on the My Account page. So let's go back to the admin area. Now, go to the WooCommerce settings and inside the accounts and privacy section, you will find the account creation options. Some users disable account creation on the My Account page and only enable it for the checkout page by activating this option. Now, let's save the settings. If we go back to the My Account page and refresh it, you will see that the registration form is disabled. Now users can only register during the checkout process. Let's see the new account creation section on the checkout page. We have added a product to our store and are now visiting the checkout page. You can see that we have the email address and password fields to create a new account during checkout. Also, on the checkout page, we have multiple other fields like first name, last name, country, address, and city. So we can also block spam users based on all these fields that are used on the checkout page. Let me show you how we can do that. First, let's go back to the plugin settings section. Now we are on the Fraud Prevention Plugins Blacklist Settings page. As we saw earlier for the My Account page registration, we need to enable this option. And if you want to block spam users during the checkout process, you need to enable the Place Order option here. Now you can save the settings. Before that, as I mentioned, we can also block spam customers using other checkout billing fields like email address, first name, last name, domain, web browsers, states, countries, and zip codes. All these checkout field options are available here. So whatever suspicious details you have, you can enter them in these fields and block fraudulent users during the checkout process. You can also customize the message for all these options in the message section here. After configuring all the settings, you can simply click on the Save Changes button. Now our settings are saved. We are back to the checkout page, and now see how it blocks spam registrations during the checkout process. Let's try to create an order. Fill all the billing fields and enter a spam email that we added in our configuration. Then add a password and click on the Place Order button. You can see that since this email is in the block list, it is not allowed to create an order or register an account. Now let's try again with a genuine email. This time, it will allow us to complete the order. Click on the Place Order button. You can see that the order is successfully placed with this email. That means fewer spam accounts and a cleaner user database. You also reduce the risk of fake orders and security issues. This helps you focus only on real customers who actually convert. And that's it. This way, you can stop spam registrations and keep your WooCommerce store clean and secure. Don't let spam users affect your store. Install the fraud prevention plugin using the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video and want more WooCommerce tutorials like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.